Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, bringing you a review of the Change wig by Wille in the color Aubergine Mix, which I love. This is a really pretty, dark, violety, delicious sort of mixed color with some dark brown and deliciousness all throughout. I've also reviewed, I'm trying to remember which one, I think it was Point, I think, in this one. In this color, and that one I took outside, so if you want to see how this color looks outside, check out that review. But yeah, this is more about the wig this time around, so let's talk about Change. This wig is only 2.6 ounces. It has extremely light hair density, like super duper light hair density. I mean, look at how that just basically skims the face. So not a poofy wig in the slightest. The front is 2.5 inches, the crown down is 8, the sides are 5, and the nape is 2.5. So let me show you what Change looks like all the way around. It's a short, simple bob. That's really all there is to it. Let me go ahead and take Change off so I can show you the cap construction. It's pretty no frills in terms of cap construction. It's open on the top with a monofilament insert here at the crown that's about the size of a quarter. Then you get this nice big band of felt right here at the front hairline. You also get open wefts here on the side, open in the back. Does not have an extended felt nape, but it does have a band of felt back there for the Velcro. And then it also has felt on the ear tabs. Let me show you what that monofilament crown looks like up close and personal. There you go. And while there is a tiny bit of permatease in this wig surrounding the areas on the top, it is extremely light density. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on so you can kind of see what I mean. So check out how slick that is and how sleek and right up against the face. I do like how it has these layers on the side here that kind of frame the face in addition to the bang and the rest of the hair. That's kind of a nice little modern touch. But other than that, this is a pretty basic wig, but it comes in some very cool colors. It moves really well, and it has a really nice, desirable, light, natural hair density that I know a lot of people are looking for. So this has been my review of the Change wig by Wille in one of my favorite colors. This is called Aubergine Mix. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like what I do here and you want to see more of my videos. And until next time, I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye!